Open. You want to open it? Open. The bubbles are for you. And this package is for me. Alright, installing the RokBlokz splash guards on the front right now. On the performance package level 2. Got a lot of tires showing. So you end up getting a lot of little chips all over your car and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do the installation on this guy. This is basically the tools you'll need for the front. Just to pry the OEM clips. Fill up the screwdriver. Got the 3/4 inch screw, 1 inch screws, and decorative washers, the clip, and the inserts. So we're going to start with just turning the wheel out of the way. So you're going to start with putting this clip onto here. On the textured side here, you're going to put this clip positioned like this. Take the 3/4 inch screw with one of the washers. Need some pliers or vice grips to hold the clip in place when you screw it on. Just snug, not too tight. And you're gonna want to take out those 2 retainers. Try not to scratch the paint. The 2 1-inch screws. I'm actually gonna put these retainers in first. Just slide them right in. hand tight for now, and I'm gonna get this clip right in that little fender gap right there. Just slip it in. And just tighten up the bottom 2 screws. So there it is, pretty simple. Just use some paint chips. Straighten out the wheels, see what it looks like. The 305 still poke out a little bit, but I'm sure it's gonna help a lot.